do not know whether I should thank them or whether I should ask. Pinabalay sila ganahan nga mag-gobernador ko Cebu. Actually, salamat sa ilang faith and confidence in me. Pero, and I want to say this ha, wa ko nagpa-cute. I have no intentions whatsoever of seeking national office. Read my lips. I'm running for governor again because I feel that I am more needed here in the province of Cebu at this time and in the next years that will follow as we try to recover from this pandemic.
Definitely si Governor Gwen Garcia is very capable of being a senator. Capable na siya. But, as again I said, this time I want to be selfish because I want Governor Gwen Garcia to remain here in Cebu because these are trying times. We need a strong leader and a capable one. That's why Governor Gwen Garcia should run again as governor. Mana ang tinuod lang.
I think kung naay gusto nga mudagan si Gwen og senador at this time, no, ang mga kontra yun na. No, I am deeply suspicious of groups like this nga mukalit lang og butho ba niya kanang hapit ng election, no? Mura ba kanong sa Aesop's fable, no? Nga doon na ba'y langgam nga naa siya mansanitas sa iyang bakba, no? Unya ang fox, ang milo, gusto man niya makuha ang mansanitas. So yung sa man niya, ingnan niya, sus, nindot kay kamukanta. Balihog kanta. So pagkanta sa langgam, nahug ang mansanitas, gikaon, gitukop sa milo. No? Muna ang ilang gusto mabuhat doon. Ilang kunuhang i-flatter si Governor Gwen run for senator. Kang ilang yung gusto na mahug ang office of the governor ngadto kay ilang tukbon. Even from the first few months of her term. And we have talked about this and the governor has assured us that she will remain here in 2 weeks.